So today I am loading up my Vivitar IC101 panorama camera with 35mm film, and I'm really excited. I've never used a panorama camera before, so this is exciting for me. There doesn't seem to be any ISO adjustment settings. It's kind of like a high quality junk camera from what I've read. So I'm just going to use, the tried and true 400TX, which is a 400 speed, 36 exposures, and we're just going to go for it. So, got all my components. Let's clear out the playing field here, and flip up this switch to open up the back. Excellent. Excellent. I don't know if this has to come up or not. It does. I hope that goes back down. Okay. It gets a little kind of stuck. Again, this is not a very high quality camera, so it might feel like you're breaking things when you're not. Okay, fits right in there. And then we're just gonna guide it in, okay? I'll give you a little kind of engraved picture here to show you how to do it if you don't know how. It's not really catching. Oh, there it goes. No. There it does not go. There it is. Okay. The back of this falling is sort of frustrating. Okay, just guide it in, going slow just to make sure everything goes okay. Okay. Now it said something in the instructions about press and fix the rewind knob. I think I did fix it. Pull out the film tip. Oh, I did that. Turn the film advance wheel, which I think is this. Yeah. Press the shutter release button, proceed twice, and then you can take pictures. Okie doke. Just making sure everything is secure back here. It's okay, this is already overexposed anyways, but if you've already advanced, don't open the back, because then you're kissing that film goodbye. Okay, just making sure it's all in there okay. Making sure this is locked on right. I think it is. Can't tell. Oh. Okay, that's kind of giving it a tug. Cool. Well, I just don't want to shoot all nothing. Okay, that is moving that. Cool. Just making sure. So then advanced. I want to shoot. Oh, the shutter's closed. So it says to shoot twice. So, one. And notice that after I shoot, this is a sure way to tell that you're actually advancing without me moving it while I'm spinning this. This means that the spool of film is actually turning. So this is actually good to go. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go shoot something right now. And maybe I'll post an update video of unloading out. Thanks for watching.